Welcome to
108.
our
Yeah,
post-game
item.
press conference. We have
Number
our
two.
player of the game, Alex Stockton, and Coach Franco Atienza of Converge. Coach, congratulations.
Thank you.
Just like last game, a slow start today, you were able to come back, but this time get a win. And you were talking about being better on closing out games. Now, what can you say about how your players were able to redeem themselves this game?
Yeah, first of all glory to God and the credit also to the other team. Going into this game, we know Rain Shine likes to run. They know they're an offensive-minded team, not taking anything away on their defense. They are number 2 sa scoring, 108 from Sir Fidel. We were able to limit them at 96, tapos yung fast break points nila. Somehow, medyo ahead din kami. But we have to ask first kung bakit kami down, I think 17 points in the first quarter. But at least okay naman, nakabalik kami, which is really a grind out. Medyo mahirap yung match-upan yung ano nila, yung one-on-one. We know we have to be better on our one-on-one defense. Their fast break attacks, medyo nasaktan din kami sa post-up. So it took a lot of our energy, took the whole team para ma-stop sila. Kasi alam namin, 1-to-1 talaga mahirapan kami. And dinala kami sa sa takbuhan, pati dun sa ilalim. It's just nice na kahit papaano nakakuha kami ng naibalik namin yung na-gain namin yung momentum ulit. Somewhere in the second, late first. And yun, na-limit namin sila to below 100. So, apart from the win, which is really nice, we won this with defense. Late in the season, maka-advance man kami sa playoffs, alam namin kailangan gumaling kami sa depensa eh. So yeah, it's just nice na naipanalo namin to with our defense.
Thank you, Coach. Now, Alec, you were limited to just 4 points at the half and then took over in the fourth quarter. If you could just talk us through that switch or change in the approach, also considering how the last game was played out and turned out.
First of all, I just want to give a shout out to my teammates, especially for JL. He played really well for us coming off the bench. But all glory to God. For me personally, I played really bad. I played awful the last game, and especially down the stretch, I wasn't able to give my team a chance. So I wanted to make sure I bounced back this game, and starting off really bad as well. So I just wanted to make sure I'm able to bounce back and give my team a chance to win. That's pretty much it.